Hey guys, welcome back to a new video of Premiere Pro series, and in this video we will learn to apply effects on our video using adjustment layer. So let's get started. Alright, now to apply some effects on your video, you need to click on this effects panel and you can drag and drop your favorite effect on your video. But what if you need to apply the same effects on all of your video clip? So here's where the adjustment layer comes in play. So head over to the project window and click on the new adjustment layer. Now drag this layer to your timeline and adjust it according to your need. Now to apply the effect, you can drag and drop your effect into the adjustment layer. Now you can see that below this layer all of my video clips applies the same effect. If you want, then you can change some settings of adjustment layer from effect controls. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys have understood the uses of adjustment layer. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to drop a like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. And I'll catch you in the next one.